So I'm testing out my new headband GoPro. Let's see if this is gonna work. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, stop recording. Getting all packed up here, getting everything ready. I fixed my son's bug. Yay.
A fiberglass pole had
beautiful
snapped
day.
and I glued it back together with a little piece of tubing.
Let's pack this up and let's get going. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, stop recording. I think we're ready to go. Yeah, it's working. GoPro, stop recording. Bleeker Lake Forest Service Road. Let's go. GoPro, turn. Stop recording. Bleeker Lake.
Stocked annually with rainbow trout, known as highly nutrient-rich, murky Stillwater where rainbow can put on serious mass, occasionally hitting up to 6 pounds. Local fly fishers say, hit it in spring and fall using leeches, shrimp, or dragonfly nymph.
Campbell Lake.
Sitting just east of Bleeker, Campbell Lake is stocked with rainbow trout. Anglers note that while it is an excellent destination for consistent action, its relatively shallow profile makes it prone to seasonal fish kills if the weather turns extreme.
Look, it's got a dock to go fishing. And there's another dock over there. Campbell Lake. Let's get the fishing supplies. Yay. We're gonna try out there. Nice rig. Let's go. On my net. Thanks, Dad. Let's try this dock out. Let's go try another lake. What a beautiful lake. Let's go. Road to Hosli. Hosli Lake.
Tucked away along rugged trails, this lake gets very little pressure.
Oh, look, there's a fisher. Man, that's a rough road to come in here with a boat.
Anglers who venture here treat it as a quiet, exploratory stop, guaranteed solitude. Hosli holds wild and naturalized rainbow trout populations.
Looks like there's a campground over there. Beautiful lake. GoPro, stop recording. Maybe we'll try some fishing. But first, let's have a picnic. Let's try a little fishing in Hosli Lake.
That bug flew right into my mouth.
A fellow that was fishing out off the lake. One more cast, and then we'll eat. Let's go that way. Nice. Man, it's been a long time since I've been here. Yeah, I just hooked my lure just here in front. So I'm gonna go retrieve it. At $8 a lure, a spinner. Oh, look. Look what. We caught some fiber. Okay, well, we're out here. Let's do a cast. See if we can catch another stick. That'll catch a fish. That guy's leaving, but the fish aren't biting. Well, we tried. Let's go have a picnic. I better put on my pants. Who knows if this is even on. Fucking technology. Yeah, let's take everything out to my fucking knife. Oh, fuck. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, stop. GoPro, stop recording. This is Gowan's Lake.
Gowan Lake features wilderness-dependent populations of small rainbow trout.
Was Talmage Lake.
Anglers view it mostly as a scenic drop-by lake. Although the fish tend to be smaller, they are incredibly aggressive and willing to rise to dry flies during an evening hatch.
I think we had a dead battery. Let's go. Salute to friends and family who could not come. GoPro, stop recording. Here we are on the road to Power Lake. It is really quite pretty. This is just past Tom Lake. Look what we got up here. It's a grouse. It's on the road to power. There he is. There he goes. This is the road to Powerline Lake. It's really quite pretty. There's Powerline Lake.
Powerline Lake holds rainbow trout. Named for its proximity to utility corridors, this lake is highly exposed to the elements, and anglers note that it can get incredibly windy, making a solid anchor setup essential.
Let's try a couple casts, see what we get. Sure is pretty. Yeah, this is why fishing sucks. Look at that knot. Have to cut it. Nice.
Bog Lake holds wild or naturalized
This is
rainbow
Bog
trout.
Lake.
Surrounded by marshy, soft edges, this is a low-pressure fishery best suited for a belly boat and a small inflatable.
And this here is Black Lake.
Black Lake is a stocked rainbow trout fishery known for its dark tannic waters. It's highly dependent on insect hatches and requires a cautious presentation. So there you have it, 7 lakes on this adventure.
GoPro, stop recording.
Please like and or subscribe.